that's okay. It's nice either way. Good morning. I woke up at 5. I slept in a little until like 5:15. I'm hoping the weather holds up. It did say that it was going to rain in some parts, and it looks like it rained a bit earlier, and then we just went through some rain. So lots of rain, and hopefully we're good. If not, that's okay, because we love the rain, and we'll just adapt. But you can't really see it. It's okay, it's still really pretty. We made our sunrise beach sesh. We got a little walk in, and that was really nice. Let's take the scenic route back. That'll be super nice. Started pouring as well, and then everyone scattered, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna stay here in the rain, in the ocean with the rain. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful day. Absolutely. We are off to a great start. Alright, so our sunrise beach sesh is complete. I'm heading back right now, and later on we will have yoga, and then I'll probably walk around a little. We'll see. It's gonna be quite the day. I am very tired. I keep yawning. But I also woke up at 5 o'clock this morning, so that explains it. Just finished doing 100 kettlebells, and it is hot outside. I'm sweaty, but it was good. I broke it up in 4s, so 25 4 times, and it was a little more manageable. And then I also had to get gloves because I was getting like calluses and it was hurting from not wearing them, but it felt a lot better, so I'm sure the combination of the two helped it even more. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna go shower and get ready for the day. so I ended up taking a nap. Definitely needed a nap. And it was really nice and long. Now I'm getting ready for yoga. So we only have like less than 30 minutes. So we're gonna try to make this not super quick because I have a little more time. I just want to get there a little earlier. That way I can park further and walk without being late. So let's go. So here's the skincare routine that you didn't ask for. I'm gonna be cleaning my face with this salicylic acid tea tree oil micellar water. So this cleans and also moisturizes your face, which I like because whenever I do the serum, I want to have like a clean, wet surface, moist surface, and then also make sure it's clean. This is one of the serums that I use. And we can pat it in or we can just rub it in. And my hands too. I'm almost done with this. This I really like. Where did I get this? It doesn't say. Probably Ross or Marshall's. I like it because it smells really good. And it's very moisturizing. Like it feels very luxurious on my skin. Always want to do the neck. Oh, your hands. Don't forget your hands. This one's the Olay SPF 15, so that should be good because the sun is setting. So on here, even that out, and I'm gonna tap it in. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. And I'm done and we're ready to go. I just have to grab my hoodie and my bag so I don't smell when I sweat. Okay, this is my yoga fit with the hat.
Walk your palms over to the right, your left palm on top of the right, and then back through center and over to the left, and then back through center. Nice and slow. Lift the shell for upward. Inhale for upward and exhale. Nice, everybody. Good. Bend the knee, heel towards your glutes. Bend the knee. Maybe step the left foot behind you, wild thing, send the hips towards the sky. Sing. Downward facing dog. Downward. We are fortunate to get to struggle through a class. There are people this morning that have the right hand. And it's just another version. You don't have to take it. It's just if you want to. Come back to center. Here, hopefully you enjoyed my friend last week if you were here.
finished my yoga class. It was really good. And I'm walking back to the car now. It is raining. I think it's gonna downpour again. So we'll see. Hopefully I make it. Wish me luck. I'm back at the car now. Made it without getting rained on. Yoga was really nice. I really enjoyed it. The instructor, she's really good. Like her energy, just how she teaches. That's why I like to come every week, because it's just so nice and so good. And then it's outside, so I sweat. It's kind of like hot yoga, but not really. So it was really good. I like when the instructors give you like a little lesson with their class. It was a nice reminder to just be grateful for your body and everything that it does for you and how strong it is and everything. Yeah, everything that it does for you, because our bodies do so much for us. And a lot of times we take it for granted and we wear it down and put it through so much. So it is nice to have a class like that to where it's like, yeah, my body does so much for me and I should take care of it better, and I should do things that help it as well, not just constantly strain it, but do things like yoga or walks. I think I'm just rambling now, but I hope you get the point of what I'm trying to say. It was a really nice class, good lesson today. All right, I got my steps in, I finished my steps. So yes, it was a very good class and I'm excited for next week. I look forward to coming to these classes because they're just so great. Also, shout out to the 4 people that are supporting me. So grateful and thank you so much for the support. It makes my heart really happy. And someone commented saying that they were supporting, and I just want to say thank you so much, and that means a lot. I can't see who. I wish I could. It does mean a lot. I've only done this account for I think a week now, about a week, and there's already 4 people that are supporting me. So it's a really good feeling. I am trying to get better at speaking in front of the camera and out in public, but I do get shy, and then I'm like, there's people. And then it's hard to look at the camera too. So I'm trying to get better at that. And there's just so much like redoing stuff over and over, and I want to do less of that because I feel like it's not as authentic than just doing it in one take. Like a couple takes, sure, but I think that's the perfectionist part in me, is the wanting to do it over and over again until I get it right. But then that's also the magic of editing, because you can cut those parts out. So shout out to the 4 of you that decided to support me. I'm so thankful for you. It really does make my heart very happy. Like I'm trying to do this whole building myself up and doing something for myself and progressing and improving in something and seeing how it goes and just documenting my journey. I'm doing this for myself. If I don't have any supporters, that's okay. I'm going to root and cheer for myself. However, the 4 of you, appreciate y'all. Outside seating area, but there's people out there and I'm not at that level yet. So I got coconut, cheesecake, and coffee, and it's really good. And then I got a whole bunch of toppings because I really like when the gummy bears are cold and they're chewy. And I got some fruit, blueberries, kiwis, brownie bits, cheesecake bits. They have little mochis, which are chewy as well, and those are good. And they had like melted bunch of crunch, which is also good. It's just a lot of sugar, but it's all good. Anyways, I had kind of a dilemma because I couldn't find my wallet, so I was kind of going crazy and stressing out about it. And then I finally found it, and I was like, yep, I am definitely getting ice cream, froyo, yogurt, frozen yogurt. I am definitely getting a sweet treat because this was stressful and it was deserving of a sweet treat. So I'm glad I found my wallet because I feel like weird knowing that I'm driving without my ID on me. Another bite. So good. I also wanted to conclude this video. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. Hit all the bells, all the buttons, leave all the things. Have a wonderful day and the rest of your week, and I'll see you soon, okay? Bye!